I am Reta Durgan at Mama Reta's Kitchen in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Where it starts way back in my mama's kitchen, because I was the youngest out of 8. So at the time I came around, being the 8th sibling of the family, I had to cook for myself. So I enjoyed doing what I was doing, cooking and sharing with my family and all my siblings. And this came natural, and before I knew it, I was into the food business, cooking, and before I knew it, I wanted to have a dream to have my own restaurant. And here I am, like years later, okay, girl, at 52 years old, I opened my own restaurant. Me not ever went to a culinary school, and just doing what I'm doing and taking what I knew and what the other people showed me and taught me along the way and put that together. It makes another difference, because you got to realize that when you're in this kind of business here, you have to really love this, because they want to taste that love in your food when you sit down and they sit down and enjoying your cooking. So I feel that anyone that comes into this kind of business, you have to love it. I think down here in Lake Charles, Louisiana, we have such a passion for what we do and how we do it. Not just cooking because we want to cook it, we cook because we love doing it. And I like to see different cultures doing that, and I really appreciate that. I like trying different things. I want to know how Japanese cook their food. I love the way, Cajun from down there, like Lafayette area, come here and they do the cooking different. I love that someone does, the Thai food, the Latinos, they cook different too. So putting that all together in this area here is amazing. But when it comes down to down home, mama's cooking, the mustard greens and cornbread and red beans and rice and gravy, when you find a place like that it makes people realize and remember their childhood bring up. That rice and gravy, when you give rice and gravy out to somebody, that's a meal without the meat just by itself. That's a meal itself. And people appreciate that rice, and that was special. That was on Sunday, babe. You didn't get it during the week, okay? That was Sunday meal. Fried chicken was on Sunday. When you get Mama Reta chicken every day, people love to hear that, because coming up, they didn't get chicken every day. That was special. I hear the stories all the time, and they bring them back to where they came from, and when they be having that one-on-one touch with them at the window, wherever I'm at, and sharing that kind of cooking, because you got cabbage every day, you got okra every day, you get that every day here, yams, whatever you want, I got it, mama got it. So you at mama house, so that makes me feel good and makes them feel good to know that they can have that kind of cooking anytime of day they want it. Knowing that people that had that kind of experience with their grandmother, whoever raised them coming up, and I have that same kind of joy, kind of food they was raised upon, it makes my heart just jump. I mean, I just really be overwhelmed when they tell me that.